أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to revision class. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, part 2 grammar. In this lesson, we will revise the Muslim, Mu'min, Mushrik, Kafir, Salih, and we will learn how to make their plural. Before proceeding, let's to repeat TPI. TPI means total physical interaction. It means hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, do it together. Repeat once with me. Hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, do it together. Means use your all body senses and body parts to learn the grammar and make some one part with you. In this revision, we will revise few words from the previous class. Man huwa Muslim. Man hum Muslimun. Man anta ana Muslim. Man antum nahnu Muslim. So when we use the singular noun, just like huwa, anta, the answer always will have a noun singular. When we use in question the plural noun or pronoun, just like hum and antum, the answer will have plural noun, like Muslimun. Arabic words are of three types. One is called ism, that is noun of a something like a book or some place like Makkah, or at time it is an attribute, just like Muslim, Mu'min. And the signs of ism are that any word which begins with alif lam, that is a ism. Any word which have at the end double dhamma, fatha or double kasra, that will be a ism. Any word having at the end waw noon, ya noon or alif ta, that means that is a ism or noun. The second type of word in Arabic is fail. Fail means verb. Tells us about an action and must have a tense. Just like fataha yamalun. The third type of word in Arabic is harf or particle. Harf and particle is that word which joins the noun or the pronouns and the verbs. It joins them, just like be, li, min, fi, inna, etc. We take a noun. This is a noun. How you come to know it's a noun? Because it have a double dhamma at the end. This sign tells us it's a noun. It means a book. Kitab means a book. If we add alif lam with this, what happened? Alif lam means da. It make it proper noun. Just like adding alif lam with kitab, it becomes al-kitabu. The tanween, that double dhamma disappear. Only single dhamma remain over with alif lam. Remember, whenever alif lam comes, this dhamma, double dhamma disappear. At the same time, when the dhamma double come, the alif lam disappear. So they both can't be at the same place on same letter or same word. So they don't have an affiliation. One should be present at a time. Let's have the example. Kitab mean a book. Al-kitab mean the book. It's a proper noun. When alif lam is attached, it becomes a proper noun. Let's have example. We have a word Muslimun. If I attach alif lam, it becomes al-Muslimu. I have another word, mu'min. So what it will be changed if I attach alif lam with mu'min? What will be the new word? Yes. Come on. Yes, Rabi, please you tell us, Tariq.
Al-Mumin.
Okay. What we change is the double dhamma.
If I
We
have a
added the lam alif, and then the double dhamma.
The next word will be al-sahl. If I have a kafirun, what will be the new word with alif lam?
Al-kafirun.
If I have a word mushrikun, if I attach alif lam, what will be the new word?
Mushrikun.
Remember when alif lam comes, double dhamma disappears. They don't like each other. They are enemies. Alif lam and dhamma, double dhamma, they don't sit together. One has to be there, either alif lam or the double dhamma. Okay. Now we have example: Muslim, Mu'min, Sahli, Kafir, Muslim. It means their double dhamma may be dhamma, double fatha, or double kasra. So this word may be Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Same thing. Mu'minun, Mu'minan, Mu'minin. Salihun, Salihan, Salihin. Kafirun, Kafirin, Kafirin. Mean when there is no sign of double dhamma, fatha, kasra, it means we can say it pronounced without this vowel sign, the sound, just like the dhamma mean. So we can say Muslim. Actually, it may be Muslimun, Musliman, Muslim. How to make plural? Let's to learn. The formula of making plural is we add waw, noon, and yan. Look, we have a noun Muslim. If I add with waw, noon, it becomes Muslimun. On the other hand, I have another word, Musliman, with double fatha. I will not add waw, noon, I will add yan. It will become Muslimin. I have third. No, Muslimin with double kasra. I will again add here ya. It will become Muslimin. So what is the result? Result is that if you have a noun with double dhamma, we always add waw noon to make it a Muslim. This is a one way of making plural. There are so many other you will learn later on. If we have a noun with double fatha, we add yan. If we have double kasra noun, again we add the yan. So double dhamma and double fatha will have the same plural. Let's to have an example. Say this is a word Muslimun, double dhamma. I will add waw noon and it will become Muslimun. If I have this word Musliman with double fatha, if I have a Muslimin with double kasra, what I will add to make it plural? Yes, you will have to guide me.
One kasra.
No. What I should add with them to make plural?
Okay. Wow and ya and nun.
Excellent. Very good. So when there are double fatha or double kasra, we will not add the waw noon. We will add this ya. So it will become Muslim. What the point? When there is double dhamma, this shape of vowel, then we add vowel. When the vowel is of this shape, it is called double fatha. Or this shape, this is called double kasra. The vowel above and below of this shape when come, we add yan to make. Let's have an example. Muslimun, with the vowel end become Muslimun. And when it will be added by yanun, it becomes Muslimin. When we will add yanun, when it will have double fatha and double kasra. Mu'minun, wawnun, mu'minun, and yanun. Salihun. What will be the two shape plural?
صالحون
صالحون
Salihun.
صالحين
Kafir. Okay,
لا
make the
بقول
two.
كافرون
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 كافرين
Mushrikun.
مشركون مشركين
So this is the one way of making plural. We add noun or either we add ya. Okay. Now the sign of the nouns I told you is at the beginning it may have alif lam, just like al-Muslim. Then it may have double fatha, double kasra, just like waw noon, ya noon, alif ta. Look at Muslimun, double dhamma, Muslimun, double fatha, double kasra. Or it may be at the end waw noon, Muslimun, or ya noon, Muslimin, or alif ta, Muslimah. So these are the signs of a noun. In the beginning, either alif lam, or at the end, double dhamma, double fatha, double kasra. Or if the word is plural, it will have waw noon, or ya noon, or alif ta. Mean Muslimah. This is for the feminine. We will have soon. The signs of plural are what? Yes, who will repeat? Alif lam in the beginning, or yes, Jannah. What are the signs? Other signs of plural? At the end, this double dhamma, or this double fatha, or this double kasra. If that noun is plural, it may be have at the beginning alif lam, or it may have waw noon at the end, or ya noon. And what was the third sign of plural? Waw noon, ya noon. I forgot. Who will memorize?
Ya noon. Ya noon.
Alif ta.
Yes. No computer agreed with you. I tried. When you said ya noon, I tried, but he was not accepting. The moment you said alif ta, he said yes. He's very clever. Computer is very clever. So be careful. Okay, we have a table. Who are Muslim? He is a Muslim. Whom Muslim? They are Muslim. The next part of table is Anta Muslim. You are Muslim. Muslim are Muslim. And the last part is Antum Muslim. You are all Muslim. Not Muslim. Yes, who would like to repeat this table, please, quickly, because we have short of time. Yes, Shahzada, would you like to repeat it? You are unmute. Kindly repeat the table. Shahzada. Okay. Yes, there is another person who has raised the hand. Augustine, like, yes, please repeat.
Assalamu alaikum. Who a Muslim? He is a Muslim. Who Muslim? They are Muslims. Anta Muslim? You are a Muslim. Anna Muslim? I'm a Muslim. Antum Muslimun? You are all Muslims. Nahanu Muslimun? We are Muslims.
Good. Let's have a new word. It is used for question. It means is and are according to the use of the word in the sentence.
Yes, leave it on me.
So next have a dialogue. Hal huwa Muslim? Is he a Muslim? What will be the answer? Yes, he is a Muslim.
No.
Muslim.
You are Muslim.
Are they Muslim?
No.
Yes, they are Muslim. So we will say Naam Muslim. But when I ask Hal Anta Muslim, now what will be the answer? Any idea?
No.
Naam, Ana Muslim.
Yes. Anta always returned with Ana. So it will be Naam Ana Muslim. If I ask the question, Hal antum Muslimun, what will be your answer?
Nahnu antum Muslimun.
Nahnu Muslimun. We will put Naam before it, so it will become Naam Nahnu Muslimun. So this was all about the today revision. Let's to have your homework or workbook. There is given some noun, just like Momin. You have to make the plural, just like from Momin you have Mominun, and Yanun, Mominin. And from Mom, next you have Saleh, Salehun, Salehin. Next is, yes, Mushrik, Mushrikun, Mushriki. The same way you will go. Now we have few Arabic. You have to translate them into English. Fa'anta sahle. See my pointing and translate it. Fa'anta sahle. Yes, what will be done?
You are Saleh.
Fa has come. Fa means so are the. You have to add this. So you are righteous. Not the Saleh. But righteous is the proper word. We have another word. Okay. Min mushrik. Translated. Min from
among the unbelievers.
Polytheist
Who
or
are
from a
moderators.
mushrik. You can say from a mushrik or from a polytheist. Then let's have another example. Wahum salihun. How you will translate it?
They are righteous.
And
Wa has come. Wa means and. Hum means
And they are righteous.
Yes.
they are righteous.
And you have to translate wa. Wahum means and they are
And they are righteous.
When you translate, always break the words. So you have translation of each part. Either you are translating into Arabic or you are translating into any other language. Break the word. Then you will have the proper translation. Okay, no problem. We have few English sentences. Let's to convert them into Arabic. He is a believer. Yes.
هو مؤمن.
هو مؤمن.
وهو صالح.
وهو صالح.
صالح. وهو صالح.
وهو صالح.
Now you have to answer in English.
Who are you all? Who are you all?
No, you have to answer.
نحن مسلمون.
نعم.
Yes.
Okay, none Muslim. Okay.
نحن مسلمون.
Okay. هل أنت صالح؟ هل أنت صالح؟
نعم أنا صالح.
Are you righteous?
Ana sorry.
Completed our today class revision. So let's pray Allah may help us to recite, understand, ponder, and implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.